Hey YouTubers, Muskrat Jim here. Just down by the river on this beautiful sunny day. Well, beautiful, it's kind of cool, but it's nice and sunny for sure. I just thought I'd take a bit of a stroll, have a bit of a lunch, and talk about some safety. So today I've got a thermos of hot chocolate and a ham and cheese sandwich. When you're out in the bush, or out in the shoreline, walk slowly and purposefully. Step over logs instead of stepping on them. You're less likely to sprain an ankle or twist your knee. TV shows have medical crews on staff, and so they can take risks that you or I just really shouldn't do out in the woods. Because out here, we may be out by ourselves. Use a walking stick. It helps you maintain 2 points of contact on the ground at all times, and it makes walking over rough terrain easier. Use your walking stick to turn over logs and rocks. It'll help you keep your distance from biting things like snakes or spiders, or if you have scorpions in your area, scorpions. We don't have them here, luckily. And it can also be used as a defensive weapon to discourage predators from getting too close. Protect your face when walking through dense brush. The last thing you need is a stick in your eye. Wear gloves when processing firewood. It helps prevent cuts and splinters, and it helps keep your hands clean. It also adds a layer of protection from ticks and spiders. Don't overly exert yourself by pushing or pulling or climbing. A day outside doesn't have to be a cardio workout. Wear long pants to avoid ticks and scrapes from the brush. Be sure to wear a hat, insect repellent, or sunscreen when conditions warrant. Wear proper clothing and keep your feet dry. Carry a first aid kit to treat common ailments such as minor cuts and scrapes, minor burns, blisters, insect bites, snake bites if that's a problem in your area, poison ivy, and bee stings. If you're severely allergic to bee stings, you should always carry an EpiPen. Don't put your hands into crevices where biting insects or animals might live. Use a stick to explore these places. Keep your pack as light as possible. You don't need to carry 50 pounds of gear if you're just going out for the afternoon. Avoid touching metal surfaces near fires or stoves. Avoid confrontations with wild animals. Even a squirrel will bite. Be particularly careful around water. Learn to safely use knives, axes, machetes, and saws. Keep these tools sharp, because dull tools require more force to use, and applying more force can lead to slipping and accidents. Watch for dangerous overhanging trees, exposed tree roots, and loose or slippery rocks. The military way of power and determination, pushing forward in spite of the pain, these are acceptable for short-term gain, but can lead to serious injuries. And in the military, you know, you've got a band of brothers out there, and they're all looking out for each other. Out here, you're alone. A better way is to flow with the harmony of nature around you. A walk in the woods should reduce your blood pressure and your level of stress. If it doesn't, then you're doing it wrong. Don't overly concern yourself with minutes and seconds when you're out in the bush. Think more of hours and days. Take it easy. Someone once said, nature is never in a rush, but everything gets accomplished. So be prepared and be safe. This is Muskrat Jim, signing out. For more muskrat survival videos, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.